Hello, this is Lonewolf Outdoors, and I want to come to you. I made me a bait tank. I didn't have to drill no holes in it, cut nothing, take the door off or nothing. I'm going to show you what I did. It's simple. The only thing I did was seal the seams. So here it is. I just got this light today for a light bar to put in it. And I bought this pump at Wally. I know everybody uses a regular filter or a pump. Got it drilled holes in it. My cable's coming right here. I used the baskets that come in these freezers and just finagled that filter in there. You can still access it. And get your filters out. I got that light today, and you can change colors on it. Got this little controller. I got this freezer off my daughter. She's moving. She didn't want to take it with her. I bought this temperature controller. Here's what my temperature is. When it gets to that right there, it'll kick on and cool it down. Make sure you watch a YouTube video to set this. It took a little bit, but I got it. Yeah, I got 4 bluegill in there. I just put it in. I'm gonna see how they do. They're down there chilling. Yeah, that pump's for 30 to 60 gallons. I got this on this setting. It hasn't kicked on all night, I don't think. Just a regular freezer. It's pretty simple to make. I'll zip tie this light on this bar here and that bar to that basket. Like I said, you can change the colors. This purple, red, so this light's got a timer on it. So I'm gonna look at the instructions and see how to set that up and just do it at nighttime. I kind of like the green. Red. It's like blood. That's the color I like. But yeah, it came out pretty good. I've been wanting one of these. I'm gonna get me a basket or something to fit down in here, and I'm gonna put me some minnows in there this summer when I want to live bait fish. So I thought y'all would be interested. You don't have to take the door off and put plywood and then a 5-gallon bucket over there. Get one of these. And just shut the lid. I mean, it makes a little indent in this seal. Other than that, if I want to, I can still use this as a freezer. The only thing I did is got silicone and got this seal here all around the sides, up in here, all up in here, went all the way down around that, all the way back. And I let it set for 24 hours. So now I can have live bait. I can get 3 or 4 bluegills through the week. Be ready for Saturday catfishing. So I hope this helps you a little bit. We'll see how it works and I'll give you an update. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.